Hello and welcome to KSGindia.com. Let us talk about the Epidemic Diseases Bill that has been passed. The Rajya Sabha passed a legislation that provides for up to 5 years in jail for those attacking doctors and healthcare workers fighting the COVID-19 outbreak or during any situation akin to the current pandemic. The Epidemic Diseases Bill 2020 was introduced by Health Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan in the upper house to replace an ordinance issued by the government in April. The Union Cabinet has promulgated the Epidemic Diseases Ordinance 2020 to amend the Epidemic Diseases Act 1897 to protect healthcare service personnel and property, including their living or working premises, against violence during epidemics. Let us talk about this bill in detail. The bill intends to ensure that during any situation akin to the current pandemic, there is zero tolerance to any form of violence against healthcare service personnel and damage to the property. The healthcare service personnel include public and clinical healthcare service providers such as doctors, nurses, paramedical workers, and community health workers, any other persons empowered under the Act to take measures to prevent the outbreak of the disease or spread thereof, and any persons declared as such by the state government by notification in the official gazette. The penal provisions can be invoked in the instances of the damage to the property, including a clinical establishment, any facility identified for quarantine or isolation of patients, mobile medical units, and any other property in which the healthcare service personnel have a direct interest in relation to the epidemic. Offences will be investigated by an officer of the rank of inspector within a period of 30 days, and the trial has to be completed in 1 year, unless extended by the court for reasons to be recorded in writing, the bill proposes. As per its provisions, the commission or amendment of such acts of violence will be punishable with an imprisonment for a term of 3 months to 5 years and with a fine of 50,000 to 2 lakh rupees. So ladies and gentlemen, that's it for today. Thank you for watching KSGindia.com. Stay tuned for more updated and informative videos. Thank you.